Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Time XYZ. It's Natasha speaking. Welcome back. I appreciate your time. Thanks for being here. And this week we just have a quick video. Usually I do these DIY sugar scrub with my daughter. You know, guys, if you need something to get your kids involved or just do something with them that's fun, you're spending time with them, this is one thing to do. All those DIY stuff, DIY candles, DIY scrub, DIY whatever, all those DIY stuff is a great time. So we usually make these scrubs and we put them in nice little containers, and then we give them to our family and friends, and we personalize them with a little a little label, just for fun. We have fun doing it. So we have our company. It's called Luxembourg and A, or Luxembourg and Heiress. It's just us, just for fun. So today we're gonna make some rose sugar scrub. It's still chilly where we are, but you know what? Spring is coming up. It's white outside, but spring is coming up, so I'm thinking positive. So let's do this sugar scrub. It smells so good. Just be aware that when you do it with your kids, they're gonna want to use it all the time. And just be careful in the bathtub because it's moisturizing, so it can be very slippery in the bathtub. So usually after I use it, we have to rinse out the bathtub a little bit so no one falls in the bathtub, unless you have sticky things in your bathtub or something. So just be aware of that, especially if you're giving it to like an elderly person or just anyone, because no one wants to break anything. But thanks for your time. Thanks for being here. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, everyone, so we're gonna make this sugar scrub. So I have my sugar and just regular sugar, no special sugar. If you want to get organic white sugar, you can, but just regular sugar. And I have my little person with me today. This is Eris. Eris, say hi.
Hi.
And usually we do this together to, keep. So we start at 1 cup sugar. Guys, it's so simple. But the reason I started it, and again, you can find lots of recipes online. The reason I started was, activities for kids, right? To get them off the screen a little bit. Just get something fun to do. And my daughter really, really likes it. So keeps her busy. Now this one we're gonna put real rose petals, and look at this, May 15th. So I had this in the garage since last year, May, and it's real roses that I have, and I just broke them up. And look at this, So we need, oh, it smells so good. So with the rose petals, we need 1 tablespoon of rose petals. I'm gonna put it in. If you just want to crush them, put them in up. If you want to just crush them with your hands, you can. But just for this one, because we want it to be mixed up in the sugar, we're going to just put it in the processor and just process it for a little bit, and it'll all be blended together. But if you want to leave it like this, that's fine as well. But I like it if it's blended up in the processor. So we have the processor set up, just a mini one. And I'm just going to put it in and just pulse it for a little bit. Alright, love. And that's it. Look at this. Look at that, right? So it's all minced up in there. Now for this, I do use the fractionated coconut oil. Now we did do it before with the regular coconut oil, like this coconut oil. The only thing with this, of course, coconut oil goes to sleep. And once it goes to sleep, it was really hard to dig it out. So the fractionated coconut oil does not do that. And we need 1/4 cup of that. Okay, so we're gonna put in the coconut oil. So if you want to use the regular one, that's fine as well. We'll put that in. Now the vitamin E is optional. You can put it in, you don't have to, but you can put it in. So we'll just put 1/2 teaspoon of the vitamin E. And again, if you want to get organic in all these stuff, you can. If you just want the regular, it's up to you. Okay, let's mix it up. Okay, and now we have our essential rose oil, and we're gonna put 50. Now, even before that, guys, it smells so good, so good. Just the natural rose smell, and you can leave it like that. You don't even need the extra, but we're gonna put that in. So 50. Okay, all right. So 50. And now we're gonna mix it up. All right, let me help.
Yeah, I'm just doing it slow.
Oh, it smells so good.
I just in my hands.
Smell good? Yeah, and that's it. This is it. This is a nice body scrub. Look at that. And it smells so. Okay, so look at this. Right? You rub it on your skin. Look at that. And then you wash it off and you're nice and soft. Now you don't even have to cream your skin after this unless your skin is really, really dry, but you don't have to. Or you can, but it helps with your cream just to put it on. But look at that. It's beautiful. So try it, right? So for us here, what we're gonna do is we have our little, let me wash this off, of course. Okay, so this is our label that we have for this one. Yeah, would you like to put it on? We have different colors. Again, just having fun with it. What's the name of the company? Our homemade company. You forgot?
Luxembourg.
Luxembourg.
It's actually Luxembourg.
Luxemburger. Luxembourg. Yeah, so again, it's just for fun. It's not for sale. We just have fun doing it, and it's all good. All right, Libby, you want to take that off? Put it on.
Yes.
And this one, let's see. So this is another one we did before, which is lavender cloud scrub. We'll show you that one day. But this one is the petal puff scrub. So that's the name for this one. So yeah, put it on. And there we go. Everyone, so I hope you enjoyed that video, the making of the rose petal scrub. I still have rose petal. Next time I get more, I'm gonna freeze them, not freeze them, dry them again, so we can make more in the future. This is my container from upstairs, from our bathroom, and we just fill it up, and then we have a scoop. It smells so good. And we just put, for the kids, they can take a scoop, put in a little bowl, because you don't want their hands in there and germs or bacteria forming or anything like that. So that's what we usually do with ours. So this is our container that sits on the tub. Right, but I hope you try it. Let me know, leave a comment, subscribe, come back. Thanks for being here. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.